Are you trying to buy a home in San Diego, but you can't find anything on the market? Well, there's another solution. Hey there, it's Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group, and I want to share something with you today on how you can find off-market deals as opposed to fighting over the same deals that everybody else is fighting for that are on the market. So I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can find off-market deals. These are a lot of the strategies we use with our internal team, but I'm going to share them with you so you can go out there and do it yourself if you'd like to. One of the best tips I can give you is you want to find the last 20 sales in the particular neighborhood where it is that you want to move. So you want to find those 20 homes that have sold, and you're going to want to reach out to the agents who listed those 20 homes. What we found a lot of times is if an agent sold one home in an area, they might have another home that's coming soon to the market, or they may have another home of somebody who wants to sell but doesn't want that home to go on the market. So we'll pull a list of those 20 most recent sales and we'll just call each agent one by one, find out what they've got coming. That could be a really good solution. Another solution for finding off-market deals is to pull in the information for all of the homeowners in a particular area where you want to live, and then you can utilize a skip tracing company who can then provide you with names, phone numbers, and email addresses for everybody who lives in that particular area that has a home that fits your criteria, and then you can run a marketing campaign directed toward those homeowners. So that could be things like direct mail, that could be things like social media ads, that could even be actually getting out there and knocking on some doors. Last time I bought a home, I got out there myself and knocked on some doors. I had some specific houses that I was interested in Bay Park, and I went out there and knocked doors. So that's another way that you can go and find off-market deals. A third one that I'll share with you is that there are a lot of off-market deals that happen on fixer-uppers. There are different investment clubs around San Diego. There's one called the San Diego Creative Investor Association, North San Diego Real Estate Investor Association. There's a lot of these different investor networks out there. If you can find your way into these investor networks, a lot of times deals are trading and happening off market. Could be a really good source, especially if you're looking to buy a home that might have some upside in it. Maybe you want that fixer-upper. Maybe you're the next Chip and Joanna Gaines and you want to put your own touch and do some of that fancy shiplap and all that stuff. If that's up your alley, getting into these different investment clubs can be a really, really good source for you. So there's just 3 of them. There's a lot of other strategies that are out there. If you want to learn more about those strategies, or if you're like, I don't have time for all of that, can I just hire you? You can. Just feel free, reach out to us via text or give us a call, 619-655-3400. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group.